Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're reviewing what we consider the best gentle cleanser for sensitive skin. The Aveeno Calm Plus Restore Nourishing Oat Cleanser. If you've been struggling with dryness, irritation, or redness, this product might be your new skincare staple. Let's break it down. First impressions. This cleanser comes in a 7.8 fluid ounce bottle, and it's got a clean, simple look. But it's what's inside that counts. This is a non-foaming, milky cleanser made specifically for sensitive skin. No harsh scrubbing here. The texture is smooth and creamy, almost like a lightweight lotion, which helps it glide effortlessly across the skin without tugging or pulling. Now let's talk ingredients. The stars of the show are Nourishing Oat and Feverfew extract. Oat is known for its calming, hydrating properties, a classic remedy for irritated skin. Feverfew, on the other hand, has antioxidant benefits and helps calm visible redness. Together, these ingredients help support your skin's natural moisture barrier, keeping it healthy and protected. What's missing is just as important. This formula is fragrance-free, paraben-free, dye-free, alcohol-free, and phthalate-free. That's a big win if your skin is reactive or prone to flare-ups. It's also hypoallergenic and non-comedogenic, which means it won't clog pores. Another must-have for anyone with acne-prone yet sensitive skin. As for how it works in your skincare routine, this cleanser is designed for both morning and night use. It's ideal for your first step, cleansing. It doesn't foam, so you won't get those sudsy bubbles, but it still lifts away dirt, makeup residue, and daily impurities without stripping the skin dry. After rinsing, the skin feels soft, smooth, and calm, not tight or squeaky. Another nice touch is the environmental aspect. The bottle is made with at least 30% post-consumer recycled plastic, so you're also making a more sustainable choice with this product. And here's something that really matters. It's from a dermatologist-recommended brand with over 70 years of experience in skincare for sensitive skin. That kind of legacy shows in the thoughtfulness of the formula and the gentle experience it delivers. So who is this cleanser for? If you've got dry, sensitive, or eczema-prone skin, or if you're just looking for a reset from harsher face washes, this one's worth checking out. It delivers hydration, cleanliness, and calm, all without irritating your skin. That wraps up our review of the Aveeno Calm Plus Restore Nourishing Oat Cleanser. If you've tried it, let us know your experience in the comments. And if you're new to gentle skincare, this might be the perfect place to start. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more honest skincare reviews. See you next time.